Khubor Phibaro Shagatuk Khubor Jingi Gadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mentakisngi Gilong. I Khubor Bakla ka Shillong Times Halor ka scheme Pinbiang Gajal Jiven Mission on Umintri Rangba. That Kati Umintri Rangba Ukonrat Kisangma Halor ki Kinram ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Satang ka Jingi Kundu ka Meghalaya but Assam ban Pinbet no Ikajingi ka Japur. But Birmingham Yaki ki Kun ki Hajar ka Hima Soyong. But mentangin pashi ki Khubor bakam benya. Ka Khubor bapinmi got Khubor the Shillong Times balapin sange trekam ya ka jal jiven mission kalong ka babakla ong umintri rangba ukonrat ki sangma. Ka Khubor balapinmi da ka got Khubor paring the Shillong Times mentakasngi baka sorkar India kalapin sange ya ka jingpen trekam ya ka scheme penbiang Meghalaya ya ka balatip kum ka jal jiven mission kalong ka babakla. Habakren kilat pathay Khubor Umintri Rangba Ka Jylla ulaong bukumnu kat kakot Khubor the Shillong Times kabaladon la ka jong ka rinyeng rinyot kadang penmi ya ka Khubor ka babakla da ka baong bakalapin sange ya ka jal jiven mission. Umintri Rangba ulapin pau ya ka jing snodiaw minsim ulaong kakot Khubor the Shillong Times kaladeban wa shwa ya ka jing shisha shwaban penmi ya ki Khubor jongka.
It's very unfortunate that reputed paper like Shillong Times has not done their homework, and the information that has come out is completely false. There is no such aspect to any stoppage of work of JJM or stoppage from Government of India. In fact, work is going on in full swing. We are today, within a year and a half, we have covered almost close to 2 lakh plus houses, where almost 10 lakh individuals have been benefited with the scheme, and the team is working overtime to ensure that we meet our targets. So in the middle of all this, while the team is working so hard, it's unfortunate to see that such kind of articles which have no base, baseless articles and without the fact finding have been put up. Shillong Times has been told about it, and they have apologized, and I'm sure that they will come out with corrective article on that.
Umintri Rangba Ka Jylla Konrad ki sangma ulathet kti hakabayade bat ki kinram jonga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Ukonrat ki sangma ulaong ba umla ban ong AA yekita ki jingkali balabu dikinong thok got Khubor bat kaladon ka jingkano pendon kam bakla pisa bat ki wede ki kinram hapo ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council na marba kadai ka autonomous body.
Because it is an autonomous body, and whether they use their funds to pay salaries or use their funds for development, that is entirely there, because the responsibility to pay the employees ultimately falls on them. So I don't have any comments on how they've used the fund, but what is important to note is that these funds were meant and were tied funds meant for JJM and meant for different kind of sanitation and water supply. While they must have looked at the status of the employees and they must have gone ahead with what they did, the problem in this aspect is that this will affect the entire outflow of the second installment for them, and that may even in fact the second installment of KHEDC and JHEDC, because they are all linked together. It's Government of India has given for local bodies, a joint fund. So when we are not able to submit the UCs for one installment, then basically it creates a bit of a problem to release the other installments. So we may see a problem in release of other 15 Finance Commission funds to not just Garo Hills District Council but the others, because we will not get the funds from Delhi. Now number two is that this kind of mismanagement of fund also affects the overall financials of JHEDC, and it reflects bad on their books. So tomorrow, if they are looking at going for some kind of financial support from financial institutions, the financial institutions will not be comfortable in giving them the financial support, and therefore the loans or any kind of financial support they look from banks or other institutions, they will not be able to get that support from the institutions. So it reflects badly on the management, and it's a bad example of mismanagement, and it should be avoided, is what I would like to say.
Hindi kasngi kaladon biang ka jingi kendo padeng ka sorkar Meghalaya bat sorkar Assam hagoti hakabayade bat ka issue penbet put penbet sam. Nakaliang Ka Jylla Meghalaya lami kmat do sembut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tinsong rengkat ka jingadon lang u chairman ka regional committee na West Khas Hills uba Renekton Lingdo nang tau menteri ki kampo yeng Ka Jylla uba Lakamen Remboy bat kiwe.
One more meeting we had, a very detailed, inclusive meeting between both the Honorable Chief Ministers, Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And I would like to inform you that more or less we almost completed to reach to the agreement in those areas which ever we already inspected. And now again, both the Chief Ministers has directed the concerned government to bring out all the detailed report, and thereafter one more meeting will be there between the two Chief Ministers, and thereafter they will be meeting even the Honorable Union Home Minister, and hopefully maybe on the 20th or before 21st, maybe they'll come back and then final agreement will be made public to both the state of Assam and Meghalaya.
Ki khon ki hajar ki hima so yong menta kasni ki Birmingham Bursit bikin penlongi ki jingi ki Ladakh Khas Hills Autonomous District Council kamweng yo ba bashempang thaba nagakhet lingdorship. Hakabaya day but kani ki dukot ka joint action committee ki khon ki hajar ki hima so yong ki lekindo yo chief executive member jonga Khas Hills Autonomous District Council oba T Khan banpin kan mau biang ye ka jing ujor jangki bade banweng no yo ba bashempang nakadaw bo umbiang shu banpin ya ye ka sinshar khadar. Habakren gilat pathai Khubor u chairman jonga joint action committee uba burning star shabong ulakno persha yoba bashempang thaba batong
hakajing sisa hakasitarik berai bakat ar jakat wei nakaliang ka JSC ngilap aipor hapo exposure ban weng no yoba sempang namar ba kadai kijing dawa ka bala dus na majak pendai bat kadai ru kijing dawa ka balang genuine hakaba kijing thurmur kijing le torti bitwi banta andai ngila aipor hapo exposure andai hadu mentaru hadu menta kasni bangiwan hangne ban panjing pensya ya nyim sem layo ka ek ru ke jebab nakaliang jong kan susil ban menta kasni hajing sya ngada pun mencisni yo ba titos ban ne kendu menta kasni ane ke basusi kalau mbah haul ngiwan hangne menta don aja ne fokus kane kadai ka ni ba kadai ka jingle sting jong ba titos nong yalam jong ukli sencar jong kene ka susil bat ka jingle jong ba titos bat ka jingle jong ba jombor ban bat borsa ya lendok jong hima sok yong ka pau sai ba kane kadai ka jing bombet jong ki ban long kita kindong yalam le bombet jong ki ban long usiam le bombet jong ki ban long executive member ber in charge ilaka bat ka jing pelong dau thalai kane ka jing dawa jong ni kadai ka insult ya kane ka ak ka ba la thau dong itai ki MBC ba mchwa nak menta ya dei ladam dei ba kadai ka jing thenjau thala ladam dei ba kadai ka jing insult balai kinam sim khia ya ne kam ka bala dei ka jing dawa sedam lada uiam in charge ilaka ukwa ba ka cencar trai muluk ka cencar khu cencar suba hapo ka hima jongi dei ban weng no mardol yo basin thaba henry lada kum weng lada ka jing kuman ka jong ka susil jing kuman jong kine ki nongbat ya bor ni po susil ngatrai kan sapoi ka por ba upai ba uchim hi yak sinjam pe ba level le
Ka National Yogasana Sports Federation of India ka baha papok jingpe jingjungo jaga Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs and Prime Minister's Office kalapelong mentagas ngi ka jingi kendo bekinong thokot Khubor halor ka kilan med Surya Namaskar project yakaba in penlong ha ka khatsau tarik mentau banai lingba ki kor ki bor ka juk menta lakmi linti ba andon hadu nyobusan klur kinong shnong kari ki ba anyeshim menta u president jong kani ka kinhon o Manik Paul ulabatai
Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs and the Ministry of Ayush, Department of Ayush, jointly by Patanjali Yoga Samiti Haridwar in Uttarakhand, along with the Meghalaya ASHA Sports Association, that we must include this information to all the citizens of Meghalaya that Surya Namaskar, 75 crore Surya Namaskar, that is already given there in the top hashtag 75 crore Surya Namaskar is actually activity by all of us of the Indians that we should perform on the 14th of this month, 14th of January 2022 in the morning. Normally this activity will be done at Governor House along with the Governor. So we are inviting everyone to take part in this mega event through online mode, and you can post we are appealing to the citizens of Meghalaya to take part in this grand event and to make the project a success, because it is going to be a grand event and going to break most of the records in the world, especially in our country as well. So this press conference is being done on the basis of this. We should perform Surya Namaskar as a national event, and through online mode we can register ourselves at 75crore.suryanamaskar.com. There we can find individual registration as well as institutional registration.
Bat daki tuki khubor ngila poisha kabakut tat haidu bangine syambiang kublai shipon.